Hey guys, it's John Bonias here with CASA Tax Deed Training. I'm sitting here today with Paul and in Lavinia. We did the one-on-one program over the past few days, and I just had a couple questions that I wanted to ask them. That way they can let you guys know what to expect in the course and what we do here. So first question I have for them to tell you guys is, what do you guys do for a living?
We do taxes, credit repair, a few other things.
Nice. They own multiple businesses. They're small business owners. We cater mostly to small business owners. Is who most of my students are. We work hard. We make good money, but then we want to do something with our money, and we want to invest it somewhere. That way, we can have money that works for us. So real estate was one way. Why did you guys choose real estate?
Yeah, exact same reason. We're looking for a way to make our money grow. And make money while we sleep. Step away. Travel back home and keep making money.
Yeah, no, I love it.
Yeah.
And that's why I got into real estate, was to make money while I sleep. That way I don't need to work as hard in the business anymore. I can have more free time for myself, more free time for family. And I know when we spoke on the phone, that was one of the key things on why we chose real estate.
Yeah.
And why we want to invest in real estate.
Yeah, to build generational wealth.
Yep, to take care of our babies.
Yes, exactly.
And how'd you guys find me?
We were just researching into the tax deed thing in Tarrant County, and we came across his video, and we just loved how he broke everything down. He was on the field. That's one thing we love. Most other mentors or instructors, they just have PDF books and stuff, but he was on the field. Ebooks, yeah, thank you. He was on the field. He was breaking everything down, and he was in our county. We were like, oh, this is great. And he gave a lot of genuine advice, and we felt like this is definitely someone that could educate us way more. Yeah.
Right. That's one thing I pride myself in, guys, is I don't just talk about it, I live it, right? I don't just talk the talk, I walk the walk. I've gone to these counties, I've been in these counties. If you go look at my videos, you can see me in Harris County, Tarrant County, McClellan County, Hidalgo County, Bexar County, Nueces County. I do all this in all the counties throughout Texas, and I really pride myself in putting that real knowledge out there and that real experience, and then being able to push it to my students. Because I want to be successful, but I want these guys to be successful too. It's a win-win for everybody. I want to build a community of people who have become successful at this, and then we can go from there. So ultimately, why did you guys choose me?
We chose you because we really wanted a mentor and a teacher, and we wanted someone that is not only about the money, but about us growing and seeing results.
Right.
We chose you because we knew that you understood Texas in general, and this is your hometown, and we just made Texas our hometown. We're from the East Coast, Philadelphia, New York, and we knew that we were pretty new here, but we needed someone that's native and on ground and have their history here to really put us on the path we need to be on.
Right.
Yeah, that's why we chose you.
I love it. Philadelphia, New York, on the map.
Yeah.
Here in Texas. I love it. And yeah, like she said, man, I'm from here, born here, raised here. I love this place, but I love, sharing it with people and other people getting to buy in that care about it, that are from here. So what was all included with the one-on-one coaching and what we've done over the past couple of days?
Oh my goodness, way more than we expected. First step, we got discount off his Airbnb. He was like, listen, the first thing that we liked was he said, well, there is an auction coming up, and it's in San Antonio. It's Tuesday. If you guys can be there to see how things work on ground. We were like, yeah, because we love experience, because that's the most important part about learning is the experience. So we're like, yeah, and he was ready to get us started, because we don't know this state and we don't know this city, but he was like, listen, I have an Airbnb, I could help you guys out on discounts, and he communicated with us and really made us understand that we'll be okay traveling down here by ourselves, and I'm expecting, I'm pregnant, but he made us feel really comfortable, and he communicated with us, and as well as, not only are we sitting in the classroom learning, we were also going in the field. So we actually went in the field the first day. That's when we met him, in the field at the auction, and tomorrow we will go in the field. So I feel like Paul and I was really blindfolded. We knew we wanted to do this, but we also knew that we were lost in terms of how to go about it. But when we met John, from yesterday, today, I'm so confident. My partner Paul, he's already researching. He's ready to go. He is so confident, and we do appreciate that, as well as he was welcoming, and he even gave us tips on restaurants that we can go to, and really taught us how to understand what we're investing in. That's something that was really important. How do you understand the property you're investing in? How do you communicate with your potential clients? How can you once you acquire these properties, how can you invest in? What are some ways that you can invest these properties? What can you do? So that's really important. I can learn something, but if I don't know how to use it, then it's not that useful.
Right.
So John really taught us that as well.
Yeah, it was great, and thank you for that. That makes me feel good.
Thank you.
But yeah, so with that, if you travel down here and you come to San Antonio and work with me, I do have several Airbnbs here that I put my students in, and I give you a really great rate, better than you're going to get at any hotel. I give you a flat rate, and you get to stay at one of the houses while you're here working with me. Beyond that, it is important to me that you do get real world experience, right? So if you're able to make an auction and come participate in that auction with me, like these guys were, I encourage you to come do that. I also provide services where I will come out to you and work with you in your county. That's a little bit of different pricing structure, of course, if I go do that. But if you can come to me, great, we can host you here and I'll put you up in one of the houses. But I do want you to see the auctions live. Tomorrow we have a field day, which is our last day. So tomorrow we're going to go out and look at a lot. We're going to go look at a property, a home. Because I want you guys to know what to look for when you're looking at land or when you're looking at a house. Beyond that, what I teach in the one-on-one coaching that's not included in the course is the tips, the tricks, other things that aren't included in there, the insights, the experience I've learned, how to get into houses, how to speak with owners, how to sell properties on your own without even having an agent, right? Just how to do the contracts on your own. Just so much more that you get out of that. That's not included in the course. The course is great, and it will teach you everything on how to do this, but the insights that you get working with me one-on-one are tremendous, and I really like giving out everything I got, and all the knowledge I got and not leaving any of it on the table. I want them to go, be successful, and I want them to run Tarrant County, to run Fort Worth. I really do. Yeah. That's my goal in this. And lastly, guys, is what have you learned here, I guess. And what was it what you expected?
It was more than what we expected. Yeah. Even the first day, we were like, wow, we get this now. Yeah. It was way more than what we expected. Genuinely, honestly, it was way more. The value is more than the price. I strongly believe the value is way more than the price. You can tell that John is really passionate about what he's teaching us, and you can tell that it's not about the funds, it's about the knowledge, and it's about really spreading that generational wealth in his community, in his state specifically. I'm grateful. Yeah. I'm grateful that we did this. Yeah. Paul and I were saying that we are truly grateful to you. This is someone we met online. YouTube videos, literally watched a couple of YouTube videos, and we just started tracking him. I texted him, "Hey John, my name is Lavinia, I'm a partner," and it was that simple. But as we communicated, the trust started to build, and
I think we sat on the phone for like an hour for the first time is what we do. And that's the free consultations that I give everyone. Yeah. Whether you buy or not, I give you that time on the phone. Yeah. I think we were on the phone like an hour.
Yeah, it was supposed to be 30 minutes.
It's supposed to be 30 minutes, but I go an hour. And I do that often. And sometimes people don't join up, and that's fine. But it's there, and I offer it, and I'm glad it's what we expected.
And what about the fees? See as an investment is 100% tax deductible, so you can deduct on your taxes.
That's true. It's tax deductible, guys. Remember that this is education. You do get to deduct this from your taxes, especially as business owners. These guys work taxes. They know how it goes. So it's not you're going to get your investment back. Tenfold, 20-fold. You really will. As she said, maybe it's undervalued. I've been told it's undervalued before. I still think it's I'm making money doing this. I do. I'm blessed. But for me, it is about creating a community of investors that I can build, and we can all be successful in this throughout several counties in Texas, because down the road, 5 years, 10 years from now, I want to have a great community of people who are successful all throughout Texas, and then we can all pull together and we can all make bigger investments as a group down the road. Which is what I hope for down the road, is to build this real big community of investors who've built up our portfolios to be nice, and then we can make these really big investments as a group down the road. Down the road.
And that's one of the things that we were like, wow, we need to stay close to this guy, because that is our goal. We want to establish a relationship, a partnership. It's not just one-time thing. And, you know, just your knowledge in terms of remodeling homes and all of that, we will need you still. So this is like a long-term relationship, which is what business is about. You don't want your customers to just walk in and out. You want them to always come in and asking them, how's the kids, how's the family. You want that relationship, because you're providing so much more than just one day service.
I agree.
So,
I agree. And that is it, guys. Repeat customers for life. Like, that's what I've always preached. Whenever I've ran any sales job or worked in any industry, it's customers for life, right? You're not my customer today. I want you my customer for life. I want you to think of me always when you need this need or this service or this want. I want to be the guy. But that's great. I'm glad you guys said that. I don't have anything else, unless there's anything else you guys want to add.
There's so, I mean, we can go on and on, but really, if you really want to build generational wealth, if you really want to expand what you have, if you really want to really learn about this business, the tax deed business, and you should definitely contact John. He is the person. We've connected with a lot of people that do this, but we felt this connection with him, and I guarantee anyone that contact him, you will feel the same connection, and you will be so grateful that you came across this individual. We're so grateful to you, John. Thank you.
You're welcome, guys. You're welcome. Guys, so you heard it. This is what I do. I enjoy what I do. I love what I do. I'm not, like they said, do I make money from this? Of course I do. But I give so much of it away for free. I give so much of it away for free. And I certainly will speak with you guys on the phone and give you whatever you need there. But for me, I get more joy out of being able to help people build their generational wealth, build their legacy, accumulate properties of their own. I can't buy every property in the state of Texas. But if I can teach people throughout all of Texas to buy up properties, and I know I had that impact throughout every county in Texas, it's like I bought every property in Texas, right? So that makes me feel good. But if you guys need to speak with me, message me. You can find me at 210-767-CASA. You can just text message me your information. We can set up a free consultation call. You can message me on YouTube. You can DM me on Instagram. You can reach out to me any number of ways, and I will give you my time for free. And if this strategy works for you, I'll let you know it. If it doesn't work for you, I'll let you know that as well too. Anyways, Paul, Lavinia, thank you guys.
Thank you,
and I hope to talk to you soon.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We appreciate this.
You're welcome, guys. Thank you so much. That was great. That was great. Thank you so much, guys. That was great. So I know you guys can go, probably going to rest up. We still got a little bit of work tomorrow on the field, and we'll do that. And that'll be fun.
So we come in at 10.
Yep.
Are we just going straight out, or are we here?
Yeah, we'll go straight out to the properties. We can go in one vehicle if y'all want. You can hop in mine, or I can hop in yours. And we'll go check out the lot. We'll go check out the house. And then just bring your notebooks, really. Because you may want to take some notes on kind of the things I look for when I go out to the houses or to the lots.
How did you stop it? Listen, I pressed it.